last class we discussed about the concept of K-maps. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss the previous gate problems, practice problems on the concept of K-maps. Let us see the first problem. A function consisting of three variables are given. So we need to simplify this given function. So four minterms are given. So 3, 4, 6, 7. Now we need to minimize this. Consider this one. So this is the one pair, and consider this one. This is another pair. The first term is BC plus the second term is here A, and these two common term is B bar, C bar, B, C bar. So C bar is the common term. So A, C bar. But in the given four options, the redundant term, the third term, which is the redundant term, is also considered. So we need to consider this redundant term also. So let us say this is 3. So this is plus. The third redundant term is A, and here common term is B. So AB. So BC plus AC bar plus AB. So BC plus AB plus AC bar. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. A function is given here in the product of some form, POS form. Okay. So where we need to consider the max terms as zeros. This is the four variable came up in the POS form. So let us do it. So 3, 4, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let us try to minimize it. Coming to this first 0. So the maximum possible group is a quad, and let us do it. Okay, this is 1. Coming to this 0, the maximum possibility is right. This is 2. The remaining left 0 is this one. So for this, the maximum possible is a quad. Right. This is 3. Now let us write the minimized function f equal to, the first one is C bar plus D bar, C bar plus D bar. Next term is here, common term is B bar, and in the first and last, the common term is D. So plus D. This is another max term, and the last one is this one. So A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B bar. Let us see the answer. A bar plus B bar, C bar plus D bar, B bar plus D. Option D is correct. Here a function is given which is having four variables in SOP form. So let us try to minimize this one. This is 1, 3, 7, 11, 15 is given, and 3 don't care minterms are given, that is 0, 2, 5. Right. Now we need to minimize this one. So coming to this first one, here two possible quads are available. So this one and also this one. Presently leave it. Okay, if you consider this one also, here one quad is there and one more quad is there, presently leave it. So coming to this one, okay, here also this quad is possible and another quad is also possible, presently leave it. So coming to this 15th cell, right? So what is the maximum only possibility is this quad. Okay, let us do it. This is one. So the remaining left is only this one. So for this, any combination, this or we can take this also. Okay. So here two minterms only given. That is one CD. This is F equal to CD plus. So CD means only this option. Okay. Option we got already because CD is not there in any other option. So this is option A bar B bar. That means directly we can combine like this. Right. This is second term, which is A bar B bar. Right. So option C is correct. So let us check the answer. Yeah, CD plus A bar B bar. Option C is correct. Let us go to the next problem. Yeah, here the sum of products SOP for the expression CD plus A bar B bar is. So here CD means what? This is 1, 1, 1, 1, right? And A bar B bar means this one A bar B bar. This is 1, 1, 1. That's all. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 11, 15. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 11, 15. Option B is correct. Let us go to next problem. Yeah. The SOP expression F equal to AB plus CD is equivalent to the POS expression. So a SOP expression is given. We need to convert into POS expression. That means what is our formula? This is we can take a K-map with all these minterms considering as ones. So if we consider them remaining as zeros, we can write the expression for POS. So let us do it. AB plus CD, that is SOP. We need to consider ones. AB means what? This is 1, 1, 1, 1. CD means this is 1, 1, 1. Okay. So we need to convert into POS expression. So consider remaining zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. Now try to minimize this one. Consider this 0. There are two possibilities are there. 4 corners and this also one quad. So presently leave it. If you consider this one, this quad is also available. This quad is also available. So presently leave it. Consider this one. Again two quads are possible. So leave it. This also two possibilities are there. For this fifth cell, okay, only one quad is possible. So let us group that one. Yeah, this is one. Coming to this 0, only one quad is possible. Okay. So name it as 2. Okay. Cell number 8, this 0. So here two quads are possible. So all corners and these two and these two. So presently leave it. So coming to this 0, so only one quad is possible. So let us group that one. So this is 3. Coming to last 0, only one quad is possible. So let us group that one. This yellow, all corners. Okay. This is, let's say, 4. Now try to write the expression. Here you are writing POS expression considering zeros. Okay. So what is this max term? This 0 indicates uncomplement and 1 indicates complement. So this becomes A plus B. This is A plus B bar. This is A bar plus B bar. This is A bar plus B. Here also 0 0 indicates C plus D, C plus D bar, C bar plus D bar, the C bar plus D. Now write the expression for F in POS form. So the first one is this one. This in this common term is A plus in these two common term is C. A plus C is one max term. And second, this blue. Okay, this one and this one. So here common term is A plus in these two common term is D. Okay, this is second max term. The third max term, see this violet color. So these two and these two. Here in this A plus B, A bar plus B, common term is B plus in these two common term is C. Right. The last max term, this yellow, right? All the corners. So in these two, the common term is B plus in this two common term is D. Now check it out. A plus C, A plus D. Okay. B plus C and B plus D. Option B is correct. Okay. In this way, we can convert given SOP form to POS form. Right. Let us check the answer. Yeah. Option B is correct. Please pause this and note down. Let us move to the next practice problem. Here POS expression is given. Okay, A bar plus B, A bar plus C, C plus D. We need to find out the SOP form. Okay, A bar plus B, A bar plus B. Please note down here. A bar plus B. This one. So since this is POS expression, we need to consider zeros. So this is A bar plus B, and A bar plus C. This common term is A bar and C is common term here, these two. So these two zeros and these two zeros. This is one quad. So lastly C plus D. So this is the C plus D. So this all quad, zero, right? 0 0. That's all. Now we need to convert into SOP form. The remaining cells you mentioned ones. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Now try to minimize this one. Consider this first one. What is the maximum possibility? This one, right? Right. So consider this one. The maximum possibility is this one only. Let us take 2. And considering this one, the maximum possibility is this is 3. Now write the expression for F in SOP form. So the first one is in the SOP form. What is the indication here? 0 0 means In SOP form, 0 indicates complement and 1 indicates uncomplement. So this is A bar B bar. This is A bar B, A B, A B bar. In the same way, C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar. Now F equal to, okay. So the first one, this is common term is A bar, and in these two, common term is D. A bar D, A bar D plus the second term, this one. So here A bar, and in these two common terms C. A bar C plus the third, this violet color. So here common term is B, and here common term is C. B, C. Please check the option A bar D. In these two, A bar D. A bar D is there. A bar C. This is A bar C, these two. Okay. And BC. So option C is correct. Okay. Let us check the answer. Yeah. Option C is correct. In this way, we can convert the given POS form into SOP form. What is the minimal form of the Carnot map shown below? Assume that X denotes a don't care term. This is the problem given for 2 marks. Okay. Let us try to minimize this one. So go to this first one, 0th cell. And what are the possible combinations? This is a one quad, is this row one quad is available, and all corners one quad is available. So presently leave it. Two options are there. Presently leave it. Coming to this one, this is also same. Two quads are possible. Presently leave it. Coming to this one, what is the maximum possible quad? So only one quad is there. Let us group this one. Yeah. Name it as 1. And the remaining min term is this one only. So for this, the maximum possible, only one quad is available. So this all corners. Okay. Name it as 3. Okay. So the minimized output function, that is F equal to, so consider this red color. So A bar, B bar, A, B bar. The common term is B bar. Here in these two, the common term is C bar. So B bar, C bar plus, consider the green color. So in these two terms, the first and last, A bar, B bar, A, B bar. The common term is B bar. These two, C bar, D bar, C, D bar. So the common term is D bar. Now check the options. B bar, C bar, B bar, D bar. Option B is correct. Okay. Let us check the answer. Yeah, option B is correct. Please pause this and note down. Yeah. The number of minterms after minimizing the given Boolean expression is. So expression is given. We need to minimize this one, and we need to find out final minterms. How many minterms are there? If you observe this one, so using De Morgan's theorem, we can minimize this one. And finally, we can find out using K-map. Yeah. Now apply De Morgan's theorem for the given Boolean function. Break and change rule. D double bar into A B bar whole bar. Like that, you will get this expression. And D double bar is nothing but D. A B bar whole bar, once again you apply De Morgan's theorem. You will get A bar plus B. Like that, going on applying De Morgan's theorem, we will get this expression in POS form. So since this is in the POS form, now take the K map of POS form where we need to consider all zeros. So mention zeros in this K map. So D is nothing but this first term and last term. The common term is D. So this is only one variable is there that is related to octet. So mention this is one octet related to D term. Okay. Now consider this A bar plus B. A bar plus B. So A bar plus B is this one. This is one quad. So already two zeros are there. Remaining zeros you put here. This is related to A bar plus B, the second max term. Coming to third max term, that is A plus C bar. A is common term here. C bar is common term here. So this is one quad. This 2, 3, 6, 7 forms a quad. So already two zeros are there. You put zeros here. So this is related to A plus C bar. A plus C bar, right. Now coming to the fourth max term, A bar plus C plus D bar. A bar is common term here. C plus D bar is this one. So this is a pair. 9 and 13 forms A plus C plus D bar. So remaining 0 you put here. This 2 forms a pair. Now last max term, that is A plus C plus D bar. A is common term here. C plus D bar is here. So this is one pair. Okay. Now in the problem he asked how many minterms are there. So these are all the max terms. The remaining minterm is only this one, right? So the number of minterms available in this map is only 1. So answer is, let us check the answer. Yeah, option B is correct. Option B is correct. Here some minterms are given and some don't cares also given. This is the SOP form. Now we need to convert into POS form. So let us take a 4 variable K map and try to minimize into convert into POS form. Yeah, 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3, 7 8 10, 7 8 10. These are the minterms, okay, in the SOP form. So some don't cares are given 5 6 11 15, 5 6 11 and 15. So the remaining we need to consider as zeros. 0 0 0 0 0. Now to write the expression in POS form, consider these zeros. Now try to simplify this one. Yeah. Coming to the first 0, there are two quads. This one quad, yeah, and these zeros, two zeros and x0. Two are possible, so leave it. Coming to this 0, here also this quad is there, and also this quad. Presently leave it. So coming to this 13th cell 0, this quad is possible and this quad is also possible. Okay, presently leave it. So coming to this 0, here also this one quad and one quad. Two possibilities are there, presently leave it. Coming to this 0, so only one quad is possible, that is this one. So name it as 1. And if you observe this one, so in the options only 2 max terms are there. Already one max term is completed. Then the remaining, these 3 zeros should be covered. So the only option to cover these 2 zeros and this 0 is one quad, that is this one. So this is second term. Now write the expression in POS form for f. F equal to the first term, this green, that is W bar plus, in these two the common is Z bar. W bar plus Z bar. And consider this blue color max term. This common term is X bar plus, in these two first and last term, common term is Z. Okay, check the option W bar plus Z bar, W bar plus Z bar, X bar. So option A is correct. Observe this problem is the simplified SOP form. So a expression is given in the POS form. We need to convert into SOP form. So take the K-map in POS form. So let us fill the zeros. Okay, P plus Q bar plus R bar. P plus Q bar plus R bar is this one, this 0. Second max term, P plus Q bar plus R. P plus Q bar plus R, this is the second max term. P plus Q plus R bar. P plus Q plus R bar, this is the third max term. Now we need to find out the SOP form. So SOP form, the remaining ones you mentioned 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now since we are finding the SOP form, this is 0 indicates what? This is P bar and 1 indicates P in the SOP form. So 0, 0 means this is Q bar R bar. 0, 1 means Q bar R. This is Q R. This is Q R bar. So that is related to the SOP form. Now try to minimize to get the minimized SOP form. So consider this one, the maximum possible group is a pair. You name it as 1. Consider the next one, this one, fifth cell. So the maximum possible is a quad. This is second term. So now F equal to, right, the first one, it is Q bar R bar, Q bar R bar plus, this is the second one, it is a P. So P plus Q bar R bar, P plus Q bar. Option B is correct. Let us check the answer. Yeah, option B is correct. In that way, we can convert the given POS into SOP form easily. Let us go to the next problem. This question is asked for 2 marks in 2019. The output expression for the corner map shown below is, we need to minimize this one. So coming to the this first one, what is the maximum possible group we can form? So this is the only one quad. So let us group this one. This is a 1. So coming to the next one, what is the maximum possible group? This is one octet. Second. So F equal to, the first one is, this is what? R bar S bar, R bar S, R S, or S bar. This is P bar Q bar, P bar Q, P Q, P Q bar. Consider this first min term. The common term here is Q and here is R bar. So Q R bar, Q R bar plus, okay, this octet, What is the common term here? This is S. S plus Q R bar, or Q R bar plus S. Q R bar plus. Option A is correct. Okay. Let us check the answer. Option A is correct. Right. Here min terms are given. So M0, M2, M3, M5, M7 are given, and some M1 is the don't care is given. Now we need to minimize simplified expression for F. So M0 is this one, M2 is this one, M3 is this one, M5 here, and M7 is here. Now there is a M1, it's a don't care, this is X. Now we need to minimize. So coming to this first one, the only maximum possible group is a quad, that is this is first one, and the remaining is, if you consider the next one, the maximum possibility is this one. This is second. So F equal to the first one green, that is A bar plus this chord here, A bar get cancels, here common term is C, A bar plus C. So option B is correct. Let us check the answer. Yeah, option B is correct. So consider the following Boolean expression for F. P, Q, R S, four variables are there. Some expression is given. Okay. So we need to simplify this given expression. Very simple. One method you can apply directly, the Boolean algebra. If you see these two terms, how you can write here? PQ plus P bar Q into R plus R bar S, right? This equal to PQ plus P bar Q into R plus R bar S becomes R plus S. Okay. Because we know A plus A bar B equal to A plus B. Right. Now, if you take a common Q in these two terms, right? P plus P bar R plus S. This equal to Q into P plus P bar into this R plus S. So this is in the form of A plus A bar B. So the answer is A plus B. So P plus R plus S, that equal to, okay, PQ plus QR plus QS. So option A is correct. The same problem we can use K-map also. This is PQ is nothing but this 1 1 1 1. This is PQ. P bar QR. P bar Q or P bar Q is this one. R is a common here, these two. So this is 1 1. P bar Q R bar S. This P bar Q R bar S is this one. This. So if you simplify using this K-map, right? Consider this one. The maximum possible group is this one. Consider this one. The maximum possible group is this one. This is second. Okay. This is first one. And if you consider this one, the maximum possibility is this is 3. Now F equal to, right, the first one green. Okay, common is Q, and here yes. So QS plus the second blue color is here Q, and here R, QR plus this red quad, that is PQ. PQ. So option A is correct. In either way you can do using Boolean algebra or K-map. Option A is correct. So go to the next problem. We need to find out the minimized expression for the given Boolean function. Okay. Yeah, ABCD is what? ABCD. This is the one. A B bar CD. A B bar CD is this one. A B C bar D. A B C bar D. This is the one. A B C D bar. A B C D bar. This is one. A B bar C D bar. A B bar C D bar. This is the one. And A B C bar D bar. A B C bar D. This is the one. Now we need to find out. We need to minimize. Okay. If you consider this one, the only possibility is called, this is the quad first one. If you consider next this one, 11th cell, the maximum possibility is, okay, this is second one. Now what is F? The minimized SOP is, this is AB plus this one is, this common term is A, here common term is C, AC. So check the option AB plus AC. Option D is correct. So check the answer. Yeah, AB plus AC. Option D is correct. In this video lecture, we have solved all the previous gate problems related to the concept of K-maps. In the next video lecture, an important topic we are going to discuss, that is essential prime implicants. Thank you friends. Bye.